Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the new adware called LaunchBrowser. LaunchBrowser is the adware which is from the AdLoad family, by the way. LaunchBrowser adware, once installed, may display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements while you browse the internet. LaunchBrowser adware actually attacks Mac computers these days. This adware acts in a very aggressive manner. Once installed, it starts displaying a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to these sites that you visit. So, this adware may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random resources in the internet. Therefore, if it was installed to your computer some way or another, make sure you get rid of this LaunchBrowser adware. Check your Finder, go to your applications, locate this application called LaunchBrowser, right-click on it, and then choose this option to move it to the trash. Finally, my recommendation is that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then start researching the system in order to detect and remove other threats from your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.